What is up, you guys? It's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing something a little different from my channel, but something I still think is pretty cool. So if you guys can't tell by the lighting, my face is pink, and it's actually supposed to be purple, but it's reflecting on the camera pink for some reason, so we'll just go with my face is pink. And that's because I got new LED strip lights for my room, and I've been trying to figure out how to do the DIY color setting on the strip lights, and I couldn't figure it out for the longest time. And when I was looking on YouTube, I didn't see that many videos on it, so I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys exactly how to make your own colors with the TikTok LED strip lights. So I put these up a little while ago, and I'm just going to show you guys really quick what it looks like, and then I will get into what you need to do. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I put it around my closet just because if I put it on my ceiling it would have ripped off the paint. So I put it on my closet, and I also think it reflects really good with this wall. When it's dark, it looks a lot better on this whole wall, but I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to get certain colors. Getting into exactly what you need to do in order to get certain colors on your LED strips. So this is what the remote looks like. I have the Gove, definitely said that wrong, brand. I'll put it on screen right here. I can't tell if that's a U or a V. Am I okay? Okay, anyway, so this is what the remote looks like, and when you get it, you're gonna focus on this little box right here. And if you look closely, it's gonna have red, green, and blue arrows, both pointing up and down. There should be 2 buttons for both for each color. So the first thing you are going to want to do is point your controller at the plug. It really only works when you point it at the plug, which is kind of annoying, but whatever, I guess. The first thing you are going to do is you're going to hit one of the DIY buttons. So I'm gonna do DIY 2. And as you guys can see, that is green.
Oh my gosh, my face.
So after you hit that, you're gonna click the color that it's already on. So in this case, it would be green, and you're just gonna push it down all the way. And then as you guys can see, it's dimming. So you're gonna do this all the way until it stops dimming on that color, and till it's completely off, but it's really not off, if that makes sense. So then what you're gonna do is I'm going to show you guys the peachy color. Before I go into this, I do wanna say that this is not my original idea. I got it off someone else's channel, and they got it off someone else's channel. So I don't really know who to give credit to, but for whoever came up with this peachy color idea, credit goes out to you. Comment it down below if it's you, so I can give you credit once I know who you are, but I couldn't find who it was, so whoever did it, credit goes out to them. So what you are going to do is you're gonna go up on red 26 times. After you go up on red 26 times, you are going to go up on green 5 times. And then after you go up on green 5 times, you're gonna go up on blue twice. Okay, so after you do that, that would be your DIY 2 setting, or whichever one you clicked. For me, it's a DIY 2, and you would kind of just remember that that's yours. And after you have it set, all you have to do is, if you click another one, it goes to a different color, and then when you click DIY 2, it goes to that color that you already made. So I'm gonna show you guys what peachy looks like in my room, and then I'm gonna show you some more that I came up with on my own. Okay, so this is what the peachy one looks like. If you don't want it to look so pink, I would recommend not doing the 2 blue, but this is what it looks like. I think it's pretty, and can't really tell on camera, but it does look more orange in person. To make another one, I don't really have names for these, I kind of just programmed them. What you're going to do is you're gonna hit another DIY. I'm just gonna use the same DIY 2 just because I'm showing you guys a lot of different ones, and I don't wanna mess up the other settings I have on my remote. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna go down again with all the colors. Ooh, that one's pretty. Okay, and then again, when it's off, you're just gonna go up with the amount of colors that you want to set it to. So for this one, you're gonna go up with blue 27 times. Then you are going to go up with green twice. And you're gonna go up with red 5 times. And then it's gonna make this like very light lavender color with some tints of blue in it, and I thought it looked really pretty. So if you have a name for it, you can comment it down below. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll give you some tips on how you should go about hanging these in your room, because I wish I knew before I hung these up. So this is what it looks like. I do realize that they all look the same colorish when I'm showing you guys on camera. It's just because it's not reflecting right, but I promise they do look different. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you guys can see. No, that did not do anything. But they are different, and this one does look more purple in person. Okay, you guys, so that is exactly how you do the DIY settings on the remote. If you have other ones like the ones that you can buy from Walmart, I believe they're called Monster, those do not have DIY settings. It's also because they are a little cheaper. These were about $50. I bought 2, so that's probably why. I got them off Amazon. If I could find them, I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if Amazon will still be shipping them out during this coronavirus time, but if they are, I'll definitely link it down below. I did get them in the mail today, so as of right now, they're still shipping, but I don't know, depending on when you guys are watching this video, if they will be. Maybe you're watching this in 5 years from now and the coronavirus will be over and that won't be a problem, but for now, maybe they'll ship them to you, maybe they won't, I don't know. But you're gonna need a remote that has the DIY settings, and the ones from Walmart and the ones from Target do not. At least the ones they have right now don't have the DIY settings, and I know that because I bought them and then returned them because I wanted the one with the DIY settings. And they also didn't stick very well to the wall. These ones did. The only thing I would suggest before you stick it to the wall is cleaning your surface down with a alcohol wipe, just because it gets all the dust off, and then make sure it dries. Don't put it on the wall wet, and then it'll stick for a longer time. I did that the second time around because I bought 2, but the first one I had to get rid of because it literally kept falling off the wall. And I probably should have read the instructions because it was definitely listed on the instructions, but you know, sometimes teenagers just don't read instructions. Just gonna be real with you guys. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. There is not much else to say. If you guys liked this video, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It'll mean the world to me. I am almost at 700 subscribers, and I'm really, really, really excited about continuing to grow with you and also showing you guys my passion. Again, the purpose of my channel video is always listed in the description box down below, so if you're new to my channel and want to know why I'm even doing this in the first place, definitely check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Sorry about the weird colors on my face throughout this whole entire video, but you guys understand. All right, love you all. Bye.